Welcome Cities Power Partnership members. Let's learn how to use Azility's portal to report your energy saving projects. When you enter my.azility.co, you will arrive at your landing page. Azility clients have a choice of landing pages that can be chosen at the top right here. If you haven't already done so, choose the Project Officer page. Then click the blue button set as your default homepage at the top right. This homepage shows a range of project information, project savings, total invested, number of projects, and so on. To add a new project, go to Projects from the menu on the left. Here you see a list of existing projects I've already entered. Click on the blue New Project button at the top right of the page. Here you define the project settings. For this training session, I'm going to add a solar installation. First, select a project category. For CPP reporting, you will most likely choose either a measure for initiatives your organisation implements to reduce energy costs, consumption and emissions, for example our solar panel installation, or carbon offset. Choose this when offsetting your emissions through green power purchases or other accredited carbon offset certificates. It's unlikely you will choose a business event, as this is for actions that affect performance either positively or negatively that are not planned as an energy saving initiative. This may be the closure of a building or a piece of equipment left accidentally running. Next, specify the performance area. For CPP, you are only reporting on projects relating to energy. Then clarify the kind of work done to complete the project. You are required to select from capital improvement, which is something your organisation financially invests in. Examples include solar installation or smart metering. Maintenance and commissioning, which is improving the operation of your equipment or sites. Examples of this include changing pumping regimes or reviewing your electricity tariffs. Behaviour and education. These are initiatives you do to target behavioural changes across the organisation. Examples include switch-off campaigns or sustainability workshops, or none if none of these are applicable. Click here to either opt in or out of sharing the project with Cities Power Partnership. Obviously, we'll be opting in. Click the Create button. Here we enter in the project details, the name. Select the project status from draft, planned, in progress or implemented. If you don't change this, it will stay as a draft project. Implementation date is the date that the project was operational. Total cost. I'll enter $10,500. Even if your project cost is $0, you will still need to enter this. Under Assigned Asset is a drop-down menu of known assets. Pick the asset relevant for this project. If you aren't an Azility client, it's likely we don't have a list of your assets. If this is the case or this project doesn't involve an asset, such as a green power purchase, click Not Asset Specific. There is a workaround for those who don't have an asset list. Over here to the left is a project description section. Here you can list your asset or any other project information you wish to record, such as contractor details. Next, add the savings. Start with the savings duration. This is how long the project delivers savings to your organisation. This is important as many projects create savings longer than the first year of implementation, often years into the future, and you want to keep reporting these savings. In our case, I'm putting 10 years. This means I only have to enter this project once, but Azility will keep reporting the savings for the next 10 years. Now I will include the dollar savings, annual greenhouse gas emissions savings, annual energy saved in gigajoules. This is a key metric, so please be sure to enter this. If you are unsure of the calculations or would like to double check, please reach out to Azility's service team, as we often help our clients calculate and enter project information. I will add the email for our service team at the end of the video, as this is the best way to contact us for project help. While it's not required, you can select the method used to calculate the savings for each project. When you've finished filling in the form, click the green Add button at the bottom of the page. You will see the new project here on the list, and you can click on the link to go back to the form we just completed. When you go to the home page, the project will also be here. And that's how you enter a project for reporting to Cities Power Partnership. As I mentioned, please don't hesitate to contact the Azility service team via email if you require assistance.